AQ Snooker Vision 2032 continues, and now it has reached globally. And in the history of Pakistan, the history of AQ Snooker, I am proudly pleased to announce that Mr. Mark John Harper is now AQ Snooker family, and he is an official certified snooker coach of AQ Snooker. And I'm sure you will appreciate his efforts towards snooker. He's a teacher and now a professional snooker coach, and he's already got few students. We'll have few more conversation with him. We'll probably have a formal interview with him, and there'll be more pictures of him on our social media, on our YouTube channel, or Instagram and TikTok. If you haven't subscribed those things, please do that. And anyone who is interested in becoming a snooker coach associated with AQ Snooker, please feel free to contact us. Once again, MJ, I really welcome you from the core of my heart, and I really appreciate your efforts and your seriousness towards improving your mental level as a snooker coach. And I'm sure you will be fulfilling the gap of snooker coaching in Australia. Thank you very much and welcome aboard.